That as it is, I am a Honey Ruiz and I want to show you in this video how triangular surfaces or contour lines with the RecMin program. Okay, remember that first you have to have a single layer to triangulate. For example, this surface, what are you looking at? B. Divided into major curves and curves minors, old forms that still use some professionals. Here in RecMin no longer. Well, this surface you would have to define in a single layer, and to can triangulate that surface, you use the view on the floor plan. Here is the buttons for different views. You go to the Supplement T3 menu and here you have the option to triangulate surfaces and also groups of points. In this case, click here to triangulate surfaces. You must have a single layer or choose the layer that needs triangular. Remember, only the one you choose will be triangulated. That's why if it represents one thing only, try to unite. Then you'll be here to this option that says simple triangulation. You ignore this because I do not know uses a lot, so you click on simple triangulation. Usually some does not appear to them from this way but a different text. Well, if you want to make a very fast triangulation, simply use this option, nothing more. And if you want a very triangulation precise, because suddenly those who calculate an area and they are topographies small as, for example, mining rooms, waste dumps or leach pads, you want to calculate the precise area and suddenly to make an estimate of volume, then I recommend you mark this option that says divide triangles adapted to the surface. Obviously you are warning that the process will be very slow, delay 10 to 20 times more than normal by not activating this option. If you have a very large topography and you know that marking this option will take the process and you want something quick, because only deactivates and uses only this option always. Triangulation with the Delana algorithm, which is used by most software. Click on triangular and you realize that it does it quickly. It's okay for a preview and for a preview fast. This is good for you and it works very well. Okay, there is perfect, and so you can count on this option for fast triangulation in RecMin. What you have to do is the following. You go to the RecMin page where it says free downloads. You go to the option that says other downloads. I repeat, go to the RecMin website to other downloads, and here where says download example project, below is a file that says RecMin library. What you do is download this file. I'm going to download right now, and I host it where it is installed. The RecMin program, it is usually in the disk C. You look for the program folder. RecMin free here is there, and there you download it. Okay. Once it is downloaded, you're just going to show folder to see the download. Ready, so you download and just what? Decompress. Remember that it has to be in the RecMin free folder where it is installed the program on disk C. In my case, I already have it decompressed. It is simply a library that add in that library is going to be the program you perform fast triangulations when you need it. Again I repeat, menu Supplement T3 triangulate surfaces and use only this option. If you already mark this option, then the program ignores that bookstore and it's going to be slow because we'll do very detailed. Okay, so that it depends on your criteria. If you want something quick like a topography superficial that you only need to look in 3D, because I recommend what is above down on a simple triangulation. Okay, very well, was that what I wanted to show you? I hope it serves you and be useful. Any inquiry you can leave it under this video, or if still you do not know the RecMin program, remember to go to the page of www.recmin.com, and there you have a lot of information about software news. You can also sign up for a course free that is online and is in English, Portuguese and in Spanish. Okay, a hug. We'll see you in the next video.